Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to combine the Wedge and Flag Finder multi-zigzag indicator trading strategy for trades opportunities in the market. The Wedge and Flag Finder multi-zigzag indicator is an indicator that attempts to automatically identify wedges and flags patterns in the market. This is an important trading tool that beginners should learn how to apply to identify trade setups in the market. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword Wedge and Flag Finder multi-zigzag on the TradingView indicator folder here. As we can see, here is the trading indicator. Select the Wedge and Flag Finder multi-zigzag EP by he who must not be named. Here's the trading indicator on our trading chart. As we can see, it already labeled the wedges and flag patterns formation on this price chart. Before I show you how to identify trade setups with this trading indicator, I need to show and explain the parameters function of this indicator setting. Let's check the default settings of this indicator. Here are the indicator parameter settings. Under the Style Setting folder here, we have the options of the labelings of the patterns formed and the lines of the construction of the chart patterns. As you can see, selecting and unselecting the option will make the labels and lines appear and disappear. Under the Input Setting folder here, there's the wedge length. This defines how many pivots a wedge should comply with. Option values are 5 and 6, with 5 being the default. Here's the theme color. Your chart background color will automatically determine the drawing settings to be used by the indicator. Here is the Suppress Overlap option. Make sure the box is selected in order to avoid overlapping drawings on the chart, which may confuse your trading analysis. Here's the Draw Zigzag option. This will plot zigzag lines in response to the point of tests on the chart patterns plotted. You can unselect or leave the Draw Zigzag box option selected. I personally prefer it to be selected, so as to help us to decide where to place stop loss when taking a trade. Leave the default settings for the remaining option settings. How can we identify buy and sell trade setups with this trading indicator? To buy with this trading indicator as a beginner, apply this indicator for the continuation of a bullish trend. In a bullish trend, watch out for the formation of bullish flags and falling wedges. Once the bullish flag or the falling wedge pattern forms on this bullish price chart, watch out for a strong bullish price breakout of the technical bullish flag chart pattern in order to continue the bullish trend, or the bullish breakout of a descending wedge chart pattern to continue the bullish trend. As we can see on this bullish price chart, the formation of bullish flags and descending wedges in this bullish trend leads to the continuation of the bullish rally. You can place your stop loss below the last swing low marked by the zigzag line before the bullish breakout of the pattern. To sell with this trading indicator as a beginner, apply this indicator for the continuation of a bearish trend. In a bearish trend, watch out for the formation of bearish flags and rising wedges. Once the bearish flag or the rising wedge pattern forms on the bearish price chart, watch out for a strong bearish price breakout of the technical bearish flag chart pattern in order to continue the bearish trend, or the bearish breakout of an ascending wedge chart pattern to continue the bearish trend. As we can see on this bearish price chart, the formation of bearish flags and ascending wedges in this bearish trend leads to the continuation of the bearish rally. You can place your stop loss above the last swing high marked by the zigzag line before the bearish breakout of the pattern. To effectively apply this trading strategy for a consistent winning record, make sure you trade this strategy in a trending market. In the next video, you will learn how to apply the Wedge and Flag Finder multi-zigzag EP by he who must not be named for the reversal of trends in the market. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.